Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Breitling Superocean Heritage B20 Automatic 42 reference UB2010161C1A1 with a blue dial in two-tone, rose gold and steel. I'll tell you a little bit about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. Let's start with a brief overview though. Breitling has many different collections. They have the classic AV, the Navitiver, the Avenger, the Premier, which is kind of a dress watch, top time, the Chronomat, which is also very famous, the Superocean Heritage, and the Superocean, and the regular just Superocean. This watch falls under the Superocean Heritage, which is kind of like a Superocean, but it has this very unique bracelet that you see here, and this is characteristic of a heritage bracelet. So the Superocean Heritage bracelet. Although not every single Superocean has this bracelet, some come on a rubber strap, but they have a very similar looking bracelet. That's what makes this one, the Superocean Heritage, look what makes it distinct, is this mesh style bracelet. It's very unique. Not a lot of brands do that. I can think of just a couple. For example, Patek Philippe does it actually, but their watches are like nearly $100,000. So for much less than that, Breitling does that. Okay, now let's start looking at the watch itself. Now that I give you a little bit of an overview, this falls under the Superocean Heritage category. Let's start talking about the watch itself, starting with the case. The case is made of stainless steel and it's 42 millimeters. It's a good size, average size, normal size for a watch between 40 and 44. This at 42 is just right. And if you turn outside, it has a thickness of 14 millimeters. It has only time and date. So 14 millimeters is not too thick, not too thin. I would say it's right in there. And Breitling is not supposed to be a super thin watch. It's supposed to be a watch with some presence on it. So 42 millimeter diameter with 14 millimeter thickness. It's just right. Okay. Let's see what else we can talk about here. Now the watch, as I said, the case, they use it in all stainless steel, and you see they have a very characteristic case pattern here that shows that basically all the Heritage have this style case. It's a basic case, but still it has a nice angles to it. I like how it's high polished and fits quite well with the bracelet. It's a nice case. All right, let's move on here to the bezel, and here's where Breitling adds some rose gold to it. So they also make the same thing with just purely stainless steel, but I think adding a little bit of color to it makes it quite special. And they call it 18 karat red gold. Most people just call it rose gold. And so the case itself is steel, the bezel is rose gold, and then therefore Breitling calls this watch stainless steel and rose gold because it is part. And as you see, they did a really good job. The combination of blue with rose gold will pretty much forever be a good combination. Every brand does it. Rolex, Patek, Audemars. Rose gold and blue is just a great color combination. Excuse me. All right, so then let's look at here the dial. Now, what is special about the dial? Well, first thing that stands out to me are the hands. The hands are quite special. You don't really see these sort of hands on any other, let alone collection, but watch, right? I mean, it has like an arrow with a double-sided loom on either side. I've never actually seen that, and it had the minute hand is like a sword hand, but they don't reuse these hands on any of the other collections. The classic, the Navitiver, the Avenger, the Premier, the Chronomat, even the other Superocean. They don't use these style hands. So that's two specific things that the Superocean Heritage has and does that no other one has. So that's quite special there. All right, and of course the beautiful blue dial, a loom, and a date at the 6 o'clock. Let's talk about the bracelet. The bracelet, as I showed you, it's a mesh bracelet. You can also change it to a rubber strap. It's a really fantastic looking bracelet, and it's very unique too. Okay, and then let's look at the movement. Well, the movement, you can't see it anyways. It is an automatic movement. It's a Breitling B20 movement, so very nice. and it's self-winding, has a 70-hour power reserve, right up there with other major brands. So there you have it. Okay, well, time to try this watch on my wrist. Now, I'm 6 foot tall, 200 pounds. I have a 7.5-inch wrist. As you see, Breitling fits tailor-made for someone of my size. I would definitely say that Breitling is more of a larger watch. Now, this watch retails at $7,300 as of 25, but you can get it in the 5,000s. That's right, 5,000s are around 25% off at jazztime.com. And I mean, that makes for a very good value proposition. So I would say, you know, Breitling, yeah, it's not the best watch in the world, but look at the price point, around $5,000, and you get a discount from, you know, from the retail. It's still a Swiss watch. It looks pretty cool. It's unique, and you know, it's quite nice for the price point. And so look, if you want to buy this watch, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.